Ready to edit but not sure how to start? These self-editing tips will help you tighten your manuscript. Hi, I'm Iris Marsh and I help indie authors with their manuscripts so they can publish with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll have learned my 3 tips for self-editing your manuscript that you can use right now. And be sure to stick till the end for my bonus tip. So let's dive right into it. Tip 1. Fully understand your genre. And with genre, I don't mean something like historical romance or epic fantasy. Those are marketing genres. With your genre, I mean more your main plot, so your content genre. These are things like action, romance, horror, crime, and so on. To know what your story is lacking, you need to fully understand the genre you're writing in. To do this, read stories in your genre, make notes, compare them, and see what they have in common. So what elements do they have in common, what types of characters, what moments, and then you can compare that to your story and see what's missing or what could be improved. The StoryGrid website is also a great resource for this. Tip 2. Use your own style guides. Keeping track of everything in your manuscript can be tough. So, use a style guide. It's a really handy document where you can keep track of things like character names, descriptions, time passage, place names, stuff like that, to keep things consistent. You can also use a style guide to note down how you use numbers, dates, time, spelling of words, what you italicize or capitalize, and so on. So it's this really handy document where you can keep track of these types of things, and you don't have to wonder halfway through whether you were using towards or toward, or if that character had blue eyes or brown eyes. You can just check your document and you'll know. Tip 3. Change the font of your text and start on the last page. When you've been reading through your manuscript multiple times, your brain will start to get used to it. This means that it's less likely to pick up on small errors such as typos. To prevent this, you can change the font of your letters so that it will trick your brain into thinking it's something new. And then it's more likely to notice those small errors. Another thing you can do is start your edits on the last page and work toward the first page. That way you don't get distracted by the narrative. And here's my bonus tip. Use a workbook to guide you through. The most abstract type of editing is probably developmental editing. There are some resources that can help you with this, like the Right Structure or StoryGrid. However, I also have a workbook for developmental editing that can help you with this. It walks you step by step through the process of developmental editing, so you'll know exactly what to change in your story and why. You can get it now in my Etsy store by clicking the link in the description. And add the code YouTube Edits at checkout for a 60% discount. Have you tried any of these tips? Do you have any tips of your own? I would love to hear them, so let me know in the comments. If you'd like some more tips on editing, you can sign up for my free self-editing course by clicking the link in the description. You'll learn about each stage of editing and how you can do it yourself. If you don't know what the different types of book editing are, have a look at my other video, The Different Types of Book Editing Explained. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated for more content. In the next video, we'll go over some mistakes most people make when editing and what to do instead. Thanks for watching.